Navigating Landlord Laws in California, a comprehensive guide. California, with its diverse landscapes and bustling cities, has a vast and dynamic rental market. For both landlords and tenants, understanding the state's landlord laws is crucial to ensure a transparent and harmonious renting experience. In this video, we will explore the key landlord laws in California, shedding light on the rights and responsibilities of both parties involved. 1. Security deposits. In California, landlords are allowed to collect security deposits from tenants for potential damages to the rental unit. The state law sets a maximum limit of 2 months' rent for unfurnished units and 3 months' rent for furnished units. Within 21 days of the tenant moving out, the landlord must return the deposit, providing an itemized list of any deductions made for damages beyond normal wear and tear. 2. Rent control. California has some of the most robust rent control laws in the country. Several cities have implemented rent control ordinances to protect tenants from excessive rent increases. These ordinances typically restrict how much and how often landlords can raise rents on covered rental properties. Landlords must be aware of the specific rent control regulations in the city or county where their property is located. 3. Habitability and repairs. California law requires landlords to maintain their rental properties in a habitable condition. This means providing safe and sanitary living conditions for tenants. Landlords are responsible for repairing essential amenities such as plumbing, heating, and electrical systems, as well as addressing pest infestations and other health hazards. Tenants have the right to withhold rent or pursue legal remedies if habitability issues are not promptly addressed. 4. Entry to rental property. Landlords in California must provide reasonable notice before entering a rental unit. Typically, they must give at least 24 hours notice unless it is an emergency. The entry must be for a valid reason, such as making repairs or conducting inspections, and must occur during normal business hours. 5. Evictions. Evicting a tenant in California requires strict adherence to the state's laws and regulations. Common reasons for eviction include non-payment of rent, lease violations, or termination of a fixed-term lease. Evictions must follow the proper legal process, which includes providing written notice to the tenant and obtaining a court order. Retaliatory evictions are prohibited, ensuring tenants can assert their rights without fear of reprisals. 6. Discrimination laws. California landlords must comply with federal and state fair housing laws, which prohibit discrimination against tenants based on protected characteristics such as race, color, national origin, religion, gender, disability, and familial status. It is illegal to refuse to rent, terminate a lease, or impose different terms and conditions based on these factors. 7. Lease agreements. Lease agreements in California should include essential details, such as rent amount, payment due date, lease duration, and the responsibilities of both landlords and tenants. State laws require that leases of 1 year or more must be in writing to be enforceable. As a landlord in California, navigating the intricacies of state landlord laws is essential to maintain a successful and lawful rental business. Understanding security deposit regulations, rent control ordinances, and the importance of habitability and repairs ensures a positive experience for both landlords and tenants. By adhering to the state's laws and treating tenants fairly and respectfully, landlords can foster long-lasting and mutually beneficial relationships with their tenants. It is always recommended to consult legal professionals for specific advice on individual situations to stay compliant with ever-changing regulations.